Hey guys, welcome to the new episode. A season's greetings to you all. I hope all your family and friends are safe. This topic is how you want to set your new goals in 2020 and what exactly do you require to set your new goals in 2020. Is it you just need to review your past, you need to review your past year, what has happened. Of course, Corona have taught us a lot of different lessons in life. We have lost a lot of our loved ones. We never even imagined that life could have been this difficult for us, even to travel elsewhere. And this is actually in practice right now. Everything has become virtual, and we have lost that kind of human touch. So here are some 6 most important tips before even you think of making a New Year's resolution at every year that you're gonna make, and it does not have any effect. So I would suggest you just go to these 6 tips. Don't make anything which is not achievable. And always celebrate what you achieve, because if you do not celebrate things in life, things will never come back to you and you will not have the zeal to do more. Here are the 6 tips from my end. First thing, whenever you make any plan, first write it down. Buy a diary. Again, let me repeat, buy a diary. A well planner is very important in everybody's life. Nowadays there are a lot of smartphones which have come. When I'm using a smartphone, everybody is using a smartphone, but of course I just have my own diary as well, and I plan accordingly. Before even now I'm giving a shoot to you all, I plan accordingly. I write it down. I make out a list of points that I want to achieve right now at this moment of a time. First I write it down, I visualize how it's going to happen, and then I plan accordingly. That's the most important thing that you need to understand. Invest in a good diary. Don't go ahead and just buy some or the other. If you are confused what type of a diary to buy, I will just put a link in the description below. That will help you make a better choice. Once you visualize it, you plan it. Make a small quarterly plan. It sounds a little difficult, but yes, it is achievable. You feel we can achieve this in 3 months of time or 2 months of time. So do that and and from there onwards keep progressing. It's like you need to make small steps. Take a small steps that will just make things level up for you all. The second thing I want to discuss with you all is very important. We have learned during the times of engineering. Of course, when we were just into the engineering, our things were just thrown elsewhere. Most of my buddies who are watching the video, they know what I'm talking about. Everything was a mess. But of course, at a time passed by, we just understood that keeping a lot of clutter in your room does not fulfill. You don't feel like working if you do not have everything organized on your table or on your bed. You will not feel like working, or you won't feel like having a good sleep. So that's what it is I'm trying to tell you. First, clean out all the clutter. Think what is more important to you and put it on your table, or put it on a workstation, or whatever you want to see that it has to be clean, and where you're going to spend maximum of your time, whether it's on the sofa or whether it's in the front of a TV table, wherever it can be. So just remove your clutter, especially on a workstation, to be very precise. Now this is a desk where I'm working. It's more of it is clutter free, and I would love to work on the same way. Make your workstation or a work desk a little clutter free. Now for the third tip that I want to tell you is, you need to review your past year. See, it's basically review your past year and make corrections for this year. Every time you need to roll back, check where have you gone wrong, and then come back and start to work fresh. Simple thing, review your past and please plan and make corrections to this. Always follow a me time. A me time is very, very important. And half an hour a day, or 15 minutes a day, or 1 hour a day, however you plan it. Because I know the work schedule is so much that we will not be able to have a me time. But yes, it's early morning or maybe in the late evening. See that you have your me time to visualize and understand. Me time does not mean you have to be on the phone. Of course not. Me time is just being with a diary and being with yourself and planning out things where exactly how you've gone wrong. That is very, very important. Like I just discussed before, the 5th point is all about set achievable goals and celebrate it every time. After 3 months of whatever you have achieved, or at least you are 90% of it, please celebrate that. This is very important. If you do not celebrate, there is no fun in achieving it. See, every time we also, whenever we are working, since even I am working now, we would, we have a target, we have something to achieve. Once you achieve that, you feel so good about it, we just celebrate it. So it's always very important that whatever the thing you have planned that you need to achieve, maybe 2 months of time, 1 year of time, 2 years, 6 months, 3 months, whatever timeline that you suggest, you need to celebrate it. If you do not celebrate it, what happens is you get tired. There's always a human tendency. Once you do not have something to look ahead, you will never going to progress. So have a goal, have a vision. That is more important. Last and the sixth tip that I want to give you all is my own favorite. I have already practiced, and this is something which is keeping me fit. From I've lost down a lot of kgs also. So people have asking me, what do you follow and what exactly do you do? I said it's very simple. It's very, very simple. People do a lot of things to lose weight. I am not one of them. I do not do a lot of things to do it. I just follow a simple and a clean diet. Have a very simple and a clean diet. Eat clean food, a very basic food that your mom makes or your wife makes for you, whatever it is. But see that you'll avoid junk food and detox your body every weekend or every month. Detoxing is very, very important. That can keep your life well. There are very small tips that I want to tell you all, but this video will be too prolonged. I don't want to stretch out. There are a lot of videos of mine which I will go into basic tips that I follow and which I have noticed myself. So it's not a big rocket science. I'm going to tell you, oh, cut down this, cut down that. No, you need to have fat. Absolutely not. Please cut down a little bit of sugar, salt, and oil from your life, and I'm sure you will be able to manage. And drink a lot of water. Since we are in a tropical country, we require to drink a lot of water, which is very mandatory for our climate here in India. If you all like my video, please help subscribe to my channel and please share it with your friends so that they can make a better resolution and understand these all 6 points and make a better resolution in their life, and that will really help them a lot. Please stay fit, stay healthy, and I'm going to see you all in the next year. I wish you all a very happy new year, and may this year be very prosperous for all. Stay tuned and be happy. Thank you so much.